wabarakatuh, my brothers and sisters. This is your brother Hasib in the city of the Prophet Muhammad al-Madinah al-Munawwara, with an update with you all with TaskForce GLM, the humanitarian aid section for Green Lane Masjid. As you all know, in September 2023, where there was an earthquake in Morocco which killed 2,900 people and injured 5,500, displaced so many people and destroyed their homes and their livelihoods. Alhamdulillah, TaskForce GLM went and asked what they can do to help our brothers and sisters that are going through such difficulty. And of course, there's one thing to help in the emergency aid situation that you all stepped up with, but it's another to be there for our brothers and sisters, especially as the winter is approaching, and help to fulfill the needs that they have. And that is why the Prophet Muhammad has said in this blessed city itself that it's more beloved for me to walk with my brother to fulfill a need of his than to spend 1 month in i'tikaf or spiritual seclusion in my masjid, in this blessed masjid of the Prophet Muhammad. So alhamdulillah, we're going on November 30th to deliver that aid, inshallah, for the winter relief in Morocco for those people that are gone through the victims of the earthquake. I will be going with them, inshallah ta'ala, with a team with TaskForce GLM, and I urge you all to help our brothers and sisters. Follow us, inshallah ta'ala, and see our journey in helping our brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
Visit our website taskforceglm.org/winter appeal 2023 and save lives today.